where we've been with this company on an actual basis, which is the clustered lines, both on the EBITDA and the EPS range, is in an upward trend. The question is, and I think here, why is the stock so expensive? Why is there no short interest? In part, probably has something to do with the fact that people see this coming, and the relative advantage that you get from having if you reverse this disadvantage on the premium side and move them closer together with UNH and the others who have enjoyed this advantage on the rebates and how that affects their premium, what you're going to get is a pretty massive increase both through the top line, which we're modestly above where the street is, maybe more so on the government side, less so on the remainder of the book. The incremental in IngenioRx, it allows you to go through the rest of the P&L at the MLR line and at the SG&A line where they're talking about 13.5%, 14% SG&A ratio, moving down into the lower double digits. We think that, again, this is all about credibility and where that number ends up. If you get a 4 handle on this thing or 12 billion, what you're going to be doing is buying back a ton of stock. You're going to be delevering at a massive rate. They've talked about acquisition, so there's that added layer that we're not really talking about here. But they have a ton of flexibility to take share in what is essentially a group that we're short. We're short UNH, the biggest provider. I think Anthem is the perfect offset because for all the reasons that we're short UNH, they're going to play positively for somebody like Anthem with the additional benefit of being highly levered to government, which typically you wouldn't say if you were a healthcare investor, I want to be more levered to the federal government or the state government. In this case, it's actually a good thing given the quad setup that we're in. And then the bottom line is how this works through on the P&L basis, we can justify or get to some pretty substantial kind of doubling rates for the stock price over the next couple of years here.